Hello everyone, welcome to Dawa CIT. In the previous video, we have already discussed what is constraint and some of their types like not null constraint, unique key constraint, primary key and foreign key constraint. If you haven't seen this video yet, I have given the link in the description below. Just go and watch. But today we are going to discuss another constraint, that is check constraint. But before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification of our videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Check constraint. Check constraint is used to check the value. Now the question is, what kind of value will be checked? For an example, if we want to set age limit like whose age is greater than 18, only that value will be inserted into the table, and whose age is less than 18, that value will not be inserted. In that condition, we will use check constraint. For an example, we have three columns: student roll number, student name and age. And here in this column, age column will give a condition: check age is greater than equal to 18. If we enter the first row in age column 26, then this value will be inserted into this column. Okay, but if we enter here 16, then this value will not insert into this table, into this column. Why? Because this value is less than 18. Here we will give one more conditions: whose age is greater than 18 and whose age is less than 60. Only that value will be inserted into this column, otherwise not. Then the given conditions: check age is greater than equal to 18 and age less than equal to 60. Now if any users enter greater than 60, then here this value will not be inserted. Why? Because greater than 60 value will not accept this condition. Okay, you have to enter here the value according to this condition. Okay, now let's do it practically, how to execute check constraint in SQL Server. So let's open SQL Server. Let's first create database. Create database, and database name I will give student. Select all and execute. See, commands completed successfully, that means database created. Let's check a database. Right click on and refresh. See, student database created. Now we have to create a table inside the database. So for that we have to use this database. Use student. Select and execute. Okay, now we have to create the table. Create table student underscore tbl, bracket open and close, int comma student s name varchar 50 comma and as int. Here we will apply the condition of check constraint. Check bracket open and close age is greater than equal to 18. Okay, and now select and execute. Commands completed successfully. Okay, let's check a table. Select star from student tbl. Execute. There is no value right now, so let's first insert the value in this column. Insert into student tbl values, bracket open and close. Roll number 1 Dawa Serpa. Okay, here I enter 26. Select this and execute. One row affected. Let's check. Execute. As you can see here, this value has been inserted. Roll number 1, Dawa Sherpa, age 26. Okay, now let's insert one more value, but this time I will insert here whose age is less than 18. Roll number 2, Rahul Sharma, less than 18. Okay, 16. Now select all and execute. See, data has not been inserted. Why? Because this age is not satisfied on these conditions, right? The insert statement conflicted with the check constraint student table age. Let's change the value instead of 16. 30. See, one row affected. Let's check a table. See, data has been inserted, right? So in this way you can insert the value according to you by using check constraint. If you want, you can also impose conditions on gender and state. Now so let me show you here how to put the condition in the state. So let's first copy this query and delete this database. New query and paste here. Now we have to follow the same process which we did while creating the database. Delete this column. State. Varchar 20. Okay, here we give a condition. Check state. Okay, select all and execute. Incorrect syntax near, and then select all and execute. Okay, commands completed successfully. So now let's insert the value in this table. Okay, student table. Here I delete the age. If I enter Punjab here, then what error comes? Let's see. Select all and execute. See, insert statement conflicted with the check constant CK student state. Why error comes out? Because this value is not satisfied according to this condition. If I enter here Assam, then let's say one row affected. That means this value has been inserted into table. If I enter here Mumbai, execute, this value has also not been inserted, because look at here, only 2 states are allowed to enter here. You can't enter here any state. I enter here Delhi. Select all and execute. See, one row affected. That means this value has also been inserted. So this is the way check constraints are used in SQL Server. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.